So the reason I did that is because it's gonna keep him with that shoulder back, and that's gonna open up his neck a little bit. So this is my head shot. Yearbook shots have to usually be like waist or middle, you know, not quite just the head, okay? So it's like a 3/4 shot almost, but you can't have hands in them. A lot of times you can't have hands. So right now he doesn't look comfortable, right? So I want you to twitch your back on the wall. I want you to cross your arms, and I want you to take your feet off the wall a little bit. There you go. And I want you to take one foot back. And I'm going to show you guys, if you get down low, you get these really cool windows in it. That you get this really cool line still. Those windows create cool interest, and they're framing him too, kind of. And then I do another quick zoom in, and I do like 3 or 4 shots. If you're going to sell an album, you need to have in close, full back, full scene. Okay, play with your skirt like this, like a little girl, and look back at me and stuff with your hat, yes. Keep your face at me all the time, and just kind of go back and forth, right, yeah. So I'm gonna move a little bit more because I don't want the sun coming above her head. I want the sun to the side of the frame, okay? So I'm gonna get the building behind her head, but the sun's coming across the side. Play with the skirt, move it. Good, look right here. Put your hand on the rim on this side, on the rim of your hat, good. Actually put it on the very top, just like that. Oh, I love this right here. So if you guys watch it in your camera before you take the shot, really study what's happening on your lens. Don't just shoot it, okay? So I'm gonna get her in focus. Good, focused. And then I'm like, okay, I want a little bit more sun. So I'm just gonna move. Just the same walk you did before.